We have it here with us, wait for it, the Galaxy M30. And may I just say the brightest and smartest of the bunch.
Why don't we unleash the M30 to our consumers now?
Okay, so I agree. Now let me do the honors, okay? I'm actually going to do the unboxing of this. I know that this is very interesting and there are certain rules that you have to follow when you do an unboxing, and the first is the plastic should always be there, okay? That's why I have a cutter, otherwise we could have done that cutting part before. But let me get this one done. So, as always, of course, very nicely boxed, and let's get down to what's on the inside. So obviously, typical that you always have, of course, is the user guide, and I think there is a lot more in there in the phone. I'll come to the phone, give me 1 second. So, the charging cable, the SIM ejector, and of course, the charger itself. But this is what we're really talking about. Just give me a second because this is quite a phone, and I know all of you are really waiting for this. So, ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Samsung M30. Let me power this device on and then we can begin the discussion with Asim on what makes the M30 more powerful, more special, and more of everything. So let's start.
You know, Rajiv, for millennials, the phone's display is the window to their world. Therefore, the M30, we have put a stunning Super AMOLED 6.4 inches FHD Plus Infinity U-Cut display. This Super AMOLED technology is the hallmark of Samsung's displays, and this is what makes Samsung's phones displays the best in the business.
I think that this is now certified Widevine L1, which allows you to stream HD content on Amazon Prime and Netflix.
Battery. Now, what do you expect? The M30 comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery, which will ensure that there is juice in the tank even after very heavy usage throughout the day. It also comes with a Type-C USB port and a 15-watt fast charger, which makes it a really powerful battery offering for the whole day's use. Well, the M30 is the first smartphone to come with a triple rear camera in this price segment.
Okay.
The primary lens is an f1.9 13 megapixel shooter. The second camera is a 5 megapixel, which is used for depth sensing, which gives amazing portrait and live focus pictures. The third camera has an ultra-wide lens which captures a 123-degree view, exactly what our peripheral vision of human beings is about. So from low light to ultra-wide group shots, portrait shots, and a whole lot more now on this triple rear camera. So the Galaxy M30 runs on the Exynos 7904 octa-core processor. The processor has clock speeds of 1.8 gigahertz, and the 7904 is Samsung's newest SoC of 2019. The M30 comes in two memory variants, a 4GB RAM and a 64GB ROM, and even a 128 variant.
In addition to this, the M30 has a dedicated slot for memory cards, which is features.
Oh yeah, very importantly, the M30 has a new UX. It's called the Samsung Experience Platform version 9.5. It also comes with a very fast face unlock and a rear fingerprint unlock capability as well. Well, the M30 comes in two colors. There's gradation black and there's gradation blue, the one I'm holding right here. All the M series devices are made in India. I can say this with pride that the M series has been developed for the Indian millennials by Indian R&D engineers and also been made in India. Well, the M30 464GB memory variant is priced at 14,990 rupees.
Really?
128GB memory variant on the M30 is priced at 17,990 rupees. And both these memory variants will be available on sale on Amazon and Samsung.com starting 7th of March, 12 noon.